All right, time to pause your video and try another problem. Man, we're already on 12. Okay, aren't you having fun? 12 video. Okay, here we go. The use of an ion pump by a neuron, well, that just means a nerve cell, requires all right, this is one of the reasons. I'm not a hater. I like the test, but this is one of the reasons I do not like this test. Why? Use that word, expenditure, right? Are you trying to test a student's vocabulary? Is this an LA test? No, it's a biology test, right? This is not necessary. All right, the question is asking, what do ion pumps need, right? And neurons, nerve cells need ion pumps to pump ions in and out for communication. And that's the job of nerve cells, communicate. All right, so I'm going to take you to a little transport diagram here. All right, notice passive transport, all the stuff moving from a crowded area to the less crowded area. That's called diffusion. Same thing here, just through proteins. Diffusion. None of that requires energy. No energy. So that's the thing to remember about passive transport. All right, active transport is the opposite. All right, just focus on the squares. Less crowded to more crowded. Well, that's not natural. That doesn't happen naturally. So you're going to require energy. Energy. ATP is the molecule of energy. Energy is needed to make an area more crowded, going into the more crowded area. That's active transport. So this here is called a protein pump. Okay, and that's how ions, right? These are ions, charged atoms or particles. That's how they move across the cell membrane using ATP, protein pump, active transport. So all those go together. ATP is your answer. Now, I don't know if you got this far, but maybe you're like, to make ATP, we need oxygen, don't we? No. We often do use oxygen in cellular respiration to make ATP, but you can make it. You can make ATP without oxygen. That's called fermentation. You may be like, oh, well, we definitely need glucose because even fermentation needs glucose. Yes, we teach you all that in our class, but technically you can make ATP with, yeah, I don't even want to say it. But anyway, you want to pick the best answer. All right, and the best answer here, you're thinking protein pump, transport, active transport, energy, ATP. That's what you want to think. All right, heat is bogus. Answer is A.